Hi guys, good evening. So it's already 11 o'clock in the evening. So wala na akong time.
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam ah.
So I will have to use the time to vlog what I bought in Lazada. This is professional condenser microphone. So kung alam nyo to, ito yung ginagamit ng mga streamer natin, mga online gamers. So I'll try to make a review out of this, what I bought. It only cost 890, so if you have extra spare for your money, you can buy this at Lazada or in Shopee. Ayan, singing live sound card professional condenser. Naka-bubble wrap pa to siya. Ayan. O, diba? Ganda din ah. Ganda ng kanyang package. So, actually, parang professional na to. So, we have the mic. We have the cords. We have the stand. We have the cover for the mic. And this is what you call the condenser. So, ayan. So, pwede kayong pumili ng, for example, guys, gusto nyo ng mga audience. So, I will try to use this kind of sets. There are a lot of sets here. So, let's try this setup. To set up the condenser. So, hindi naman siguro abot ng camera to. So, I'll just make it quick. So, medyo taking itong ginagawa ko. Ayan, no? O, di ba? Parang gamer na.
Hindi totoo yan.
Gamer. What's up, guys? What's up? Ayan. So, ayun.
Diyan yun na inaasal mo. Ano ba ang drama mo sa buhay?
Teka.
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko alam ah.
What's up, guys? Ayun! Yun, ayos na. Ayos na yung boses ko. Di ba? Pwede na akong mag-live. May live, guys. So, we're Radio 106.3 YFM. Ito. Dito yung power on. Makikita nyo. Ito, click nyo, long press. Tapos, ito, yung live na chord. For example, kung saan kayong phone na magre-record. Ito, yung music, yung second music. So, pwede rin kayong dalawang mag-record. Tapos, ito, yung charging sa gitna. Ito. Tapos, ito yung earphones or headphones. Kung saan kayo makikinig ng music nyo. Tapos, yung mic. Ito, yung last mic. Yun. Sorry again. Pakikita ko lang. Yun. Dapat naka-on to. Power on. At least 3 seconds to record. Tapos, ito yung volume ng mic. Wala na ako. Hello. Ito, echo. To echo. Ito yung treble, bass. Ito yung record. For example, naka-live na kayo. So, ano nyo lang, volume up nyo lang para at least ma-record nyo yung inyong kinukuha ngayon. Para at least maka-play na rin kayo eh. So, ito yung monitor. Monitor nyo kung paano mong i-mix na yung audio mo sa yung sound card with the music. So, ito, sample lang. Pay attention. Yes.
Zile yo alergial mile
So, ito. Wow. Dibu.
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Wow. Ano ba yun? Oh. Kala ko may parilan na.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha!
Ayan. Pag paso ka, paso means, yun. Thank you. So, magagamit nyo to guys when it comes to vlogging or streaming online or Mobile Legends or guys. So meron pa pala ito, Electro, Pitch Blender, Shockwave, MC, Dunch. So ano tabu? What happened to my voice? That was Electro. Tapos ito,
Pitch blend. Hello? Ay, parang si Chuk TV ah.
Unsa naman eh? Unsa naman eh?
Galing nga. Elimination.
Shockwave. Hey, hey. So, elimination. Let's get ready to rumble. Parang mali. Ayan. MC. Hello? MC. Ay, grabing echo. Dodge. Low, low, low. Low, low. Yun.
O, diba? Salat naman ang napindot ko. Laka.
Nature. Electro. Ay, higa.
Laklain. O, doon niyo ako namakanta ko yaman. Sus, ginoo. O, diba? So, may mga kalisang tigog. Kung kailangan ka naman yun. Diyos ko, Chucks TV. What's up, guys?
In nature. Shock you in nature.
Sa MC. So, ayun. Ganda, di ba? So far, sa review ko naman nito, okay naman siya. Sa price, condenser mic ko. Bought in Lazada. As in, super affordable. Tsaka, magagamit mo talaga. Pag streaming, for recording, singing. Oh, sorry. Yun. So, overall guys, review ko naman dito sa gadget na binili ko. Worth it. Promise, worth it. So, I'm gonna try using it. Maybe on a live online gaming. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys on our sooner vlog and review and our setup. So this has been Tito Charles signing off.